Still building every product ad from scratch? Why start from zero every time? One workflow, multiple directions. With low-cost Seedance 2.5, your next ad doesn't have to start over.
Creating a cinematic product ad has never been easier. Keeping it affordable and being able to create the next one without starting from scratch is a completely different story. Seedance 2.5 has quickly become one of the most talked about AI video models, and after testing it, I wanted to find a practical way to use its quality without watching the credits disappear every time I generate a new ad. So I tested Seedance 2.5 on AI Inspo to create real product commercials, and then turn the entire process into a reusable Canvas workflow, so the same production system can be reused for another product, another client, or an entirely different campaign. And in this video, I'll show you exactly how I built it and why the current 50% launch discount on Seedance credits makes this setup particularly interesting. So this is the homepage of AI Inspo, and if you haven't seen this platform yet, you're going to want to pay attention. It's basically an all-in-one hub for video, image, and music generation. Instead of jumping between 5 different tabs and 5 different subscriptions, everything lives right here in one place. Under the hood, it's pulling in some of the biggest names in AI video. Now, on the left side here, you've got the full list of available models. And right at the top, Seedance 2.5 is officially live. And this is the part that actually matters for your wallet. Credits for the entire Seedance model series are currently 50% off on this platform. So if you've been wanting to try Seedance without paying full price, this is genuinely the cheapest way in right now. On the image side, you've got Nano Banana, GPT, and Dream all sitting right here too. So whether I need a base image or I'm going straight to video, it's all in the same workspace. Before I jump into Canvas, let's actually talk about what Canvas even is. Canvas isn't just a video generator. It's a workspace where your assets, your prompts, your model settings, and every generation step all stay connected to each other instead of living in 5 separate places. I want to get my product locked in first, because good product consistency starts before you even touch the workflow tool. So I'm using GPT Image 2 to generate the actual headphones. I've written out a clean prompt. Premium over-ear wireless headphones, front-facing and centered, floating on a seamless white studio background. Matte cream leather headband and ear cups, tan camel leather cushions, subtle orange piping, rose gold hinges, soft even studio lighting, no harsh reflections. And there it is, clean, high-res, studio-quality product shot generated in seconds. Now I'm taking that same image and turning it into a design sheet, basically locking every detail of this product down so it stays identical. Next, I need my character, the guy who's actually going to be wearing these in the ad. So back into GPT Image 2, and I'm generating a full character sheet this time. A 20-year-old man, fair skin, short curly hair, natural freckles, realistic skin texture. Left side is a full facial close-up. Right side is full front and back body views. Same streetwear, same lighting, same framing. And that's my actor locked in. Face, build, outfit, all in one sheet. So at this point, I've got both of my core assets locked for consistency, the product and the character. This matters more than people realize, because if you skip this step, you'll get a different looking headphone or a different looking guy in every single clip you generate. Now I'm heading into Canvas on left side and starting a new project. I'm uploading both images right here, product and character, and this is where the actual ad starts coming together. Both images are uploaded, so now at the video generation box, I'm connecting both nodes straight into it, product and character. So every single frame this generates stays consistent with these exact references. No drifting, no random redesigns halfway through. Then I drop in my prompt. Kitchen noise annoys him, so he puts on the headphones and instantly escapes into the music. His morning transforms into a hyper-energetic journey through coffee, running, city streets, and the office. He gives the headphones to his angry boss, who instantly gets the vibe and starts moving to the beat. Now for the model. I've got the full list right here. Seedance series, Hailu, Kling, Google Omni, Minimax, and VO. And I'm going with Seedance 2.5, mainly because right now it's sitting at the cheapest credits on the entire platform right now. I'm bumping it up to high resolution, setting the duration to 30 seconds, and hitting generate. And this is the final output. Just watch this for a second.
It's our rife and the tuppet!
Okay, so the strongest part of this whole thing, for me, is the character consistency. Same guy, same face, same hair, same outfit, same proportions, all the way through. Different locations, different camera angles, rapid hypercuts, whip transitions, and he never drifts, never randomly changes. That's genuinely hard to get right with AI video, and Seedance 2.5 is nailing it here. And it's not just holding still either. This is handling fast-paced motion surprisingly well. So now that I've got this final output, instead of just downloading it and moving on, I want to actually publish this as a reusable template, so I can come back and reuse this exact workflow for a different product, a different client, whatever comes next, without rebuilding any of this from scratch. At the top right, I've got two options here: publish as a canvas or publish as a template. Since I want this available for reuse, I'm going with template. For the cover image, I'm uploading the product shot, the headphones. And for the preview, I'm uploading the final generated video itself, so people can actually see the output before they even open it. And hit submit.
And that's it. This workflow is now saved as a template. Next time I need this same style of ad for a different product, a different brand, whatever it is, I'm not starting from zero. Swap the reference images, swap the prompt details if needed, and the entire structure, the shots, the pacing, the transitions, is already built. That's the real power of Canvas. So, after publishing that template, let's go check out the library, and this is where you'll see all your ready-made templates sitting, ready to reuse with a different product or character, no rebuilding required. Now I'm going back into my canvas, which is now a template, and this is where the reuse actually happens. I'm keeping the exact same character, same guy, same everything, but this time I'm swapping out the product image. Instead of the headphones, I'm uploading a new product, premium black sunglasses. Same as before, I connect both nodes, character and product, straight into the video generation box for consistency. And I write a new idea for this one. A young man starts his morning in the kitchen, grabs his sunglasses, and instantly transforms into a confident, energetic version of himself. Same parameters as before, same model, same resolution, same duration, and I hit generate.
See the world differently.
And look at this, same exact video style, but now it's a completely different product. That's the whole point of Canvas. Build once, reuse forever. Now, beyond video generation, AI Inspo's got a bunch of other tools worth knowing about. Background remover, image upscaler, image enhancer, video enhancer, and video upscaler. Let's try the background remover real quick. I'm using the boss image as an example and generate. And there it is, background's gone, clean cutout, just like that. Next, let's try the upscaler. I've got this image of a sleeping dragon in the snow, choose my output format, and generate. Way sharper, way more detail. Same idea with the enhancer. I'll run my character through this one, choose the size, and generate the enhanced version. And the difference is clearly visible. Cleaner skin detail, sharper edges, more depth overall. And it works the exact same way for video too. The video enhancer and video upscaler follow this same simple process. Now let's talk numbers, because this is honestly the best part. Seedance 2.5 is live on AI Inspo right now, and members are getting 50% off credits across the entire Seedance model series. On top of that,
Membership plans themselves are also 20% off. And if you're not a member yet, there's a limited time deal running the 14th through the 31st. New Pro, Premium, or Ultra subscribers get a 1-day free trial, with unlimited access to most participating models. If any of this looks like something you want to try for yourself, links in the description below. Grab Seedance 2.5 while it's discounted, or jump on that free trial while it's live, and go build something with Canvas the same way I just did.